In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send certificates via Google Forms. We'll start by creating a new Google form and building the survey or quiz you want people to complete. Add the questions you need and make sure you include 2 fields labeled full name and email address. Mark both of these as required so every submission includes the information needed for the certificate and for delivery. If you use the dedicated email question type, Google Forms will automatically check for a valid email format, which helps prevent typos. Next, turn the form into a quiz. Open the settings, switch on the option to make this a quiz, and then assign points to your questions so a total score can be calculated. This is important because you'll be setting a passing mark and the add-on will use that to decide who receives a certificate. You can choose whether grades are released immediately or later, depending on how you want to review responses. Now install the Certifyem add-on. Click the 3-dot menu in the top right corner of your form. Select Add-ons, search for Certifyem, and install it. Follow the prompts to grant permissions so the add-on can generate and email certificates on your behalf. If your form is open in multiple tabs, refresh the page after installation to ensure the controls appear. To enable certification, click the puzzle piece icon for Add-ons, choose Certifyem, and select Show Certifyem Controls. A panel will open where you'll manage everything related to certificate generation. In the Certify EM settings, turn the status to On to activate automatic certificates. Set your passing percentage to match the level you consider successful for your quiz. Choose a template for the certificate. You can use a standard template provided by the add-on, or select Use a custom template to upload one you designed in Google Slides. If you go custom, keep your layout simple, make room for the participant's name and ensure your form's full name field is spelled and capitalized consistently so the merge works smoothly. Finally, customize the outgoing email. In the advanced options, set a clear subject line, write a friendly and professional message body that explains what the certificate is for, and choose the sender name you'd like recipients to see. Keep the tone concise and informative so participants recognize the message and can find their certificate easily. Before sharing your form widely, it's a good idea to submit a quick test using a spare email to confirm that the certificate generates correctly and the message looks the way you expect. Thanks for watching.